Hey, welcome back, guys. Hey, we are back on the truck. Today is the next day. We just got through doing our leading and stuff, and today I think we're gonna go ahead and start on the back of the cab. We're gonna also work on that the gas filler neck. They actually had a piece of crap on. It looked like it was some type of sign made of aluminum or something, and they just put it up there and put Bond on it. So I took that off, and we're going to try to do a little bit better repair on that, guys. So let me show you what we're working on here. I've already started doing the back of the cab. I actually got small little dings and dents. You know, this is like the worst part of the cap here, and all that green stuff you guys see, you probably saw if you was watching my previous videos. That's just etching primer. So I really don't want to go and sand everything off. What I'm going to do first is find my small little dings and dents, and then this is what we're going to work on today, is fixing this the filler neck where the old gas net came out of. And I actually made a little plate here, and I'm going to go ahead and round it off, fit it as best I can. And I got a little PVC here, and I'll put it on here and I'll form it the best I can. Guys, so I'm going to show you a neat little tool that I use. I've got this when I first got my welder. I got this little tool here. I actually got it from, this is another little thing I got from Eastwood. It's a spot welding bit, okay? It goes on the end of your welder, and it basically gives you a perfect spot weld every time. And for like things like this that I need to do a little tacking, I like to use this spot welder because it is really helpful. You see that? So I'm going to do a little spot welds. the dolly behind it. Just like anything else, guys, you gotta just tack it. You need to let that cool down. Let that cool down. All right, now we're gonna, I'll grind it and I'll keep tacking it. All right, so we are basically finished doing the welding. I will actually grind it down a little bit more just to get it a lot smoother, and then I'll put some body fill on it. I'll actually put some green glass on it just to make sure I don't have any pinholes, but that's why you see me actually shining that flashlight behind it to make sure I don't have no pinholes, and I have no pinholes. So it's cooling down now, and now after this I'll go ahead and put some glass on it, and then I'll put a coat of a slight coat of Bondo over it. So I put my green Bondo glass over it. So I'm waiting for that to just tack up. Then I'll sand it down by hand. And I tell you what, man, you did a good job welding that. I mean, it did not work, not one bit. I mean, I think that was probably my best weld job that I've done. I mean, it actually looked like I could just, you know, paint that and it'll be straight. I mean, I was very shocked how good it is, but of course, you know, you got to do your body work. I mean, I really took my time on this one here. I actually started sanding while it was still soft, so I mix up a little bit more of the Bondo glass, and I put some more back over here on my weld, and I let it dry, and then after that I'll go ahead and skim coat it with some lightweight filler. Now that's just one coat. I'll probably end up doing 2 coats, but I put it on kind of thick. But I know I probably will, after I sand that down, I have to make sure I get the shape, and then I put another coat on there. Alright, so I have smoothed that in. Actually, I feathered it out pretty good. And this is just my first coat, guys, so I would definitely put probably another coat on. And I'll probably do this a second time when I do everything else, like my cap corners here, which just got everything roughed in. And I also went on ahead and start filling in a little bit of the pinholes, and I'll sand that down really smooth as well, guys. So we got a lot of stuff done today. Let me go ahead and adjust this. I had it. I know it's probably looking rough on me. Put my PPE on and everything, so trying to make sure I stay safe, guys. So that's going to be the end of this video of roughing in the fillet neck. I think we did a really good job of getting it really smooth, contouring it with the body. That's probably one of the hardest things to do on that edge, is trying to make sure it's you know, it goes around really smooth. You can tell that there's any imperfections or anything like that. So I'll probably get 2 more coats on there and I'll call it a day. But hey, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with your boy today, guys. Make sure you show me some love. Hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and don't forget to share and like this video as well, guys. So like I tell everybody, hey, if you got a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them. I'll catch you guys on the next video.